So I want to give a quick shout out to all the dreamers out there watching this. Kudos to you for never giving up on your dream. Those who choose to keep their dream alive, you know this. It is not the easiest thing in the world to do. You're gonna have people bombarding you from every single direction. Some of them are gonna be doubters. Some of them are gonna think you're crazy. I'm just saying this to give you an example. I was just this Italian kid from New York who moved to LA with a dream, ended up hitting it on a reality show, winning that, getting an agent, getting on HGTV, having 3 shows on HGTV, end up on another show for A&E and FYI Network just last year, and I'm standing here today in the radio studio about to go on for my show. Dreamers are the creators of tomorrow's reality. Never let anybody crush your dreams. When you're sitting in your deathbed and you look back in your life, the only thing you're gonna feel is that resentment and loss that you did not listen to your soul and in your heart and follow your dream.